According to the guy, he said that was where they were positioned for the night. That was when I knew something was up, but it was too late. This boy took us to an uncompleted building. He said he's paying us well, so he feels he can have us wherever he likes. So he started with my friend. This boy elaborate this game. We went outside and we went under a tree. It was my turn.
Way my country people, it don't happen again, it don't bust. No be small thing, no things they happen, oh my people. Make una carry una jokote sit down, come listen to this one, oh, not be small matter. Una see this lady, so one they see for my stream here, my people, not be small thing, oh. This lady escape RIP, my people, not be small matter. This lady narrate her story as he take go Okpominiki walk, as he reach there na 40K, oh, na there. They book him as he reach there. Matter can't change, oh my people. As they take what this babe for all completable building, my people. Not be small thing, no. Even this lady lose her phone. Not be small matter things they happen, my people. Not be small thing. May not come be say I too talk. Oh, make una watch the video how this lady they narrate her story, my people. Make una regard.
So one afternoon, this babe called and was like, there is one deal that she got. I was like, which deal? Mind you, we live in the same compound. She stays up and I stay down. I asked this babe, what's up? What's the deal? She said she has a girlfriend that stays in Uyo, and she invited her to come to Uyo that evening for parole. God. At that point, I was broke as hell and I was willing. I asked her, what's the pay? My babe said 40K. I said, okay, no wahala. So what's up? Where did you meet this girl? She said she met her, that she has been her friend, that she met her on Facebook, but she really knows her. This babe told me that she met this girl in Owerri. So she started sending me pictures of the girl on Facebook. The girl was lit. I told her, are you sure about this babe? She said yes. Send her friend that she knows the girl. I said, okay, no problem. But I was skeptical about the whole situation. But then I was broke. What was left in my account was 2,000 naira. Hey God. So I told her, okay, I'm interested. Mind you, this girl was supposed to be my best friend as of then. I took a quick shower. She didn't tell her elder sister because she stays with her elder sister. She didn't tell her elder sister where she was going to. I stay alone, so I really did not have anybody to tell where I was going to. We got to the park around 6 in the evening. We gathered money for our transportation and started this journey. Brothers and sisters, we got to Uyo by 11 o'clock in the night, 11 to 12. I said, God, which kind of journey be this? At that point, I was like, what am I even doing? What am I doing here? So the girl in question that we were speaking to on phone, she gave us the number of our supposed clients. God. She tell us, say the guy na DSS, because we were supposed to go to club, but since we got to Uyo late, that would just end up spending the night with the DSS guy. I said, okay. So by 12 o'clock when we met this guy, we did not see the guy's face because everywhere was dark. He told us to come to a junction, a roundabout. We got to the roundabout to an unknown location. It was a very large field. According to the guy, he said that was where they were positioned for the night. That was when I knew something was up, but it was too late. This boy took us to an uncompleted building. I asked him, why are we here? Why don't we just go to the hotel? He said he's paying us well, so he feels he can have us wherever he likes. Hey! I said, though, okay, please, no wahala. I was praying in my mind, seriously, because he's shook. So this boy asked us, what do you want to eat? He said, will you eat fish? We said yes. He said, can you finish one fish ish? We said yes. He said okay. He sent an unknown number message for the fish. Format. So he started with my friend. Nah, yeah, this boy lapro this game, my God. He gave this girl back to back. Eh? So at some point, he said we should not make noise, that there are some people outside. I got a little bit scared. He left us and went out of the uncompleted building. I was hearing footsteps outside the uncompleted building. I tried to keep my cool, but deep down I was so scared. I wanted to run, but I asked myself, where are you even running to? Where you know say the wrong go? Few minutes later, he came back and said, let's go outside. We went outside and we went under a tree. It was my turn. Hey. The guy gave me basketballs. He kept on insisting on removing the condom that he was using, but I refused. Finally, after everything, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for payment. No be so. We went to one corner. Transfer. My transfer is not opening. Finally, the transfer opened. The guy put in the money, that is the amount he was supposed to give us, which was 80k. Then he said okay that he wanted to send it, but he wanted to go and urinate. So he was like, this is a very bad area, and since he wants to go and pee, whether we want him to hold our phones. And we foolishly gave him all our phones, both the big one and the small one. We gave it all to him. This guy left to go and eat himself. Few minutes later, like 2 minutes later, we are not seeing the guy. We couldn't find the guy, and we had no money on us. Me, I stood up and I wanted to go and I told my friend that let me go and check for this guy at the back. My friend said no, don't go. I said why? She told me this guy is not coming back. I told her I don't understand. Let me go and get our phones. Immediately, I wanted to go get our phone. We saw Fulani headsmen. It was getting real. We had to hide. We waited for this guy for like extra 5 minutes, 10 minutes. This guy was nowhere to be found. Our phone, the so-called money, at that point was not even important. And it was already very late, 1 o'clock in the night to 2. That was when this girl opened up and told me that the girl she told me was her friend from Owerri, that she had just met her on Facebook that very day. And she has never made any video call with her, meaning she was not real. God, I felt like crying. I felt like going crazy. We left the field and we went to the major road. We saw one man passing by with bleeding hand. The man told us that this place is not a good area, that. But that was not important. I could not comprehend what was happening. Luckily for us, there were police people on duty that night and they were passing by. So they stopped. And when they stopped, they called us. What are you doing here? This, that. We explained that we were coming from our location and we came to Uyo, but we got robbed on our way. We used the police officer's phone to check for the Facebook account of the so-called girl. Turned out to be the account does no longer exist. We couldn't find the account. We couldn't find our phones. Nothing. My ex-friend logged into her account with the officer's phone and found out that all their chats were disappeared. Now